Press the bell icon for more update. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. First I imported the photo into my editing app. Then I carefully removed the background to install the subject. After that I added another image on top and adjusted its opacity to create a smooth double expose effect. I positioned both image properly to make the position look balanced and creative. Next, I fine tuned the brightness, contrast, and colors to enhance the overall look. I also added a subtle filter to give it a professional touch. Finally, I previewed the result.